Hello everyone and welcome back to English for Beginners with Miss Nadia. Today is the first lesson in our basics series. We are going to be looking at the alphabet. I'm going to say the letter names A, B, C and so on, and I would like you to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's get started. That's much too fast. Can we slow it down a bit, please? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done. Did you repeat after me? If not, go back and try again. So, letter names are very important when we need to spell a word or our name. For example, my name is Nadia. The spelling of that is N-A-D-I-A. Now it's your turn. What's your name? How do you spell that? Great. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe if you'd like to keep learning English with your education station. Bye.